Hello friends, happy Diwali to all of you. Today on this auspicious occasion, I decided to sow the seeds of palak, spinach seeds. For this, I'll be using this grow bag which is around 5 to 6 inches in height. It already had the holes at the bottom so that the extra water could be drained out. So let's start. For spinach growing, I'll be using vermicompost that I ordered online, and 40% of vermicompost and 40% of normal garden soil will be using. In order to mix them well, I have been using this type of a mug that we used. I have been using like some part of vermicompost I am putting inside this grow bag, and the other part that I have been using is of this normal garden soil. I am just pouring one part of that and two parts of garden soil and then mixing it again here, and slowly we'll be filling it completely, mixing it at each step. Here it is. It consists of 60% of the garden soil and 40% of the vermicompost. It's thoroughly mixed now, and now we will be putting the seeds of spinach, the palak seeds. I brought this. These are the hybrid seeds. The spinach seeds look like these, and now I'll be sprinkling that over the mix. Make sure these don't get overcrowded, and pour them over a distance. Here it's done now. I've sprinkled all the seeds. Now we'll be covering this over again by that same layer of garden soil and the vermicompost. Here it is. I have mixed all the vermicompost and the garden soil and covered that again with another layer over the seeds, and now we are done. And after 8 days we'll be seeing the saplings, and let's meet that in the next video. And again, happy Diwali to all of you. Have a good day, enjoy your Diwali, have a safe and an eco-friendly Diwali. Thank you so much. Bye bye.